Hey there, how's everyone today? Today we're going to be taking a look at a Seiko Presage, and this is a fancy Seiko Presage. This is the SPB045, and this one has the enamel dial, so I'm really excited to take a look at it. So here we go with the unboxing. And there's your beautiful plastic bag. No, the watch is in there. It looks good. If it looks good through that plastic, you know it's a good looking watch. So there you go. Check out that enamel dial. Very beautiful. Now, you really have no idea how hard it is to get enamel onto something as thin as a watch dial. Now, Seiko has enlisted craftsman Mitsuru Yokosawa. He's been doing this for over 50 years, and he's developed a way to make the enamel so thin that it would work on the dial of a watch. Seiko makes a great video about this. I will include it in the description in the video underneath. And there you can see me playing with the power reserve. That little dial on the side there, it tells you how many hours you have left. So right now I cranked it up to about 20 hours of charge, and you can see the texture in the enamel where the dials and where the hands are. Very, very unique looking and very cool watch. The watch here, you can see it features a crocodile band, and there's the clasp, and here we got the special Presage tag. And let's take a look at this dial again. Presage, the watch line in general, when you really think about it, it focuses a lot on the dials of the watch. The other thing that's nice about that dial is because of the enameling, it's going to stay that white. It's not going to fade. It's not going to start turning yellow over time. You're going to have that bright, crisp whiteness to this watch. So featured in this watch we have a 6R27 caliber movement, and that is a power reserve of 45 hours. And here you can see it on my wrist. This is a fantastic size for a dress watch. My wrist size is about a 7.5 inch wrist, and the watch itself is a 40.6 millimeter. The watch features also a sapphire crystal and a 45-hour power reserve that you saw us playing with earlier. I'd like to take this time to thank you guys for taking the time to check out the video. Please subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.